Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get your TikTok stream key for OBS in 2025. Super simple and straightforward. First, you need to make sure your TikTok account is eligible for live streaming. Typically, you need at least 1000 followers to unlock the live features. Next, open the TikTok app on your phone and go to the live section by tapping the plus button at the bottom. Then swipe to Live tab. If you're eligible, you will see an option to go live with the ability to connect streaming software. On your desktop, open your browser and visit TikTok Live Studio website. This is the TikTok's official tool for streaming. Sign in with your TikTok account. Inside TikTok Live Studio, navigate to the settings or stream setup area where you will find a unique stream key and a server URL. Copy the stream key. This is what OBS needs to send your live feed to TikTok. Now, open OBS Studio, go to Settings, Stream and choose Custom as a service. Paste the server URL from TikTok Live Studio into the server field. Paste your copy to stream key into the stream key field. Apply and save your settings. Back in OBS, set up your scenes and source like your webcam, mic, and then hit start streaming. Your TikTok Live will be now broadcasting through OBS with that stream key. And that's it. Getting your TikTok stream key for OBS is easy once you know where to look. If this found helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions below down. See you in the next one.